Today, gentlemen, we're gonna see Antigravity CLI, the new from Google Antigravity, and we have a lot of use cases, which they have mentioned right here. Which is example, we have got the use cases from enterprise perspective, front end, full stack, science, and marketer. So let's just go ahead and see the marketing side. We mostly do SEO marketing, so let's just go here and see how it is used in the use cases. Later in this video, I'm just gonna show you how we are going to take advantage of Google Antigravity CLI and use it to our ranking our blogs, not only ranking but rankings on Google. Now, in the previous video, I have talked about Google mentioning they have mentioned AEO and GEO, which is a answer engine optimization and generative engine optimization, and they have specifically mentioned that optimizing for generative AI search is optimizing for search experience and thus still SEO, which means SEO is still concerned. Is really important. Alright, if you're looking to use Google Antigravity, and here's how you can do it. So head over to aistudio.google.com, and here you have this interface. So go to the playground right here, and here you want to select this model selection, and here search for Antigravity, and here you can see they have Antigravity agent preview new and paid. And now what this means is you have to add a billing in order to use this. This agent uses Gemini 3.5 Flash pricing. Okay, so you can see the release date as well, May 19, 2026. So select that, and here you need to click on this, and you can set up the billing, and you can link the API key. But if you want to use other models, you can go here and choose the models right here. So if I click on Gemini, and you can see there are a lot of things as well. And so let's just go here and go with the new Gemini 3.5 Flash. So this is how you use Google Antigravity inside aistudio.google.com. And if you're looking to use it for SEO marketing purposes, then yeah, if you want a custom instructions, custom prompt, humanizing prompt, then the description, the link will be in the description. You can check that out. There is a document attached, and it will give you everything you need to know. So with that said, catch you on the next one.